Alrighty guys, welcome back. We are heading to 61 Marine here to go pick up a few parts for the 05 Sportsman, or the 06 Sportsman 500. Need a couple gaskets, thermostat, and a few other things for it. So we are heading that way now. We will catch you here in a few minutes. For now, just enjoy the ride. Alright, just rolled up. We are gonna go in, grab some parts here. I'm assuming we're gonna have to get some stuff ordered. Usually I don't have stuff in stock for those year machines, but we'll see what they have and what we need to order, and go from there. I have been working on the Sportsman off camera a little bit. So I did end up getting the new head on. It's all torqued down. I need to retime it. So we'll go over that just a little bit today too as well, and show you the progress that we have made so far. Alright, just got everything ordered up for it. It's an 06, so no surprise I don't have any of the parts for it. But yeah, so they should be in about next Wednesday or so, and we'll get the Sportsman 500 all buttoned up and ready for the summer. As you can see, it's bright and sunny out here in lovely Minnesota today. We haven't seen the sun in about 2 weeks or so, so that's nice. We're getting close to four-wheeling season and boating season. Actually, right next door is the place we bought our boat from a few years ago, so there will be some videos this year of being out on the river, so look forward to that as well. We'll head home, show you the progress we made on the 500, and go from there. Alright guys, welcome back. We just went and got our parts ordered. They should be in sometime next week, but I wanted to get you guys all updated on what we got going on. as you can see, we got the new head on. I didn't get a bunch of stuff on film the last couple weeks on working on this wheeler, just because conditions weren't great out. It's kind of cold in here, had the heat on, so it wasn't ideal conditions for filming at the moment. Plus, I wanted to focus on learning more about timing this engine with my dad. So sorry about that, but I do want to get you guys caught up on it a little bit here. So yeah, new head is on. I'll go over the torque sequence just a little bit here, so because it's actually kind of hard to find. And the way you torque this head down on this machine is different than a lot of things, a lot of other motors. So you start off with that head bolt there, and then there's another one. The other two are just behind the rocker and cam back here. So you start here, you do a crisscross motion, and you start off on this head bolt here. You start off at 29 foot-pounds. You go through your crisscross motion on your first pass. Second pass, you're going to do 51 foot-pounds. And then you're going to let the head rest for a minute. Let it be, let everything seat. Then, this is where it gets different, and I've not done this before. But you take and mark your bolt or your socket, and then you loosen every head bolt in the same crisscross fashion. You loosen it one full turn. Then take your torque wrench, set it to 29 foot-pounds, same crisscross pattern. Torque everything down to 29 foot-pounds. And then you mark your bolts and mark your socket. Either way, I marked my socket. Start in your same crisscross fashion. So then you do a first pass of 90 degrees. So I would mark the socket about there, and then as soon as the mark was facing that way, I knew I was at 90 degrees, did it in the same crisscross pattern. Once you do that pass, then you do another 90 degrees, and you're done, and it's actually pretty tight. You end up tightening it down pretty tight, which is good. We don't want any leaks or nothing like that. I got to get the two bolts put back in there that go right there. I want to double check timing. I did earlier. I think we're correct, but I want to double check again. Other than that, we need to do a coolant flush, get all the nasty coolant out of it, get it out of the radiator. I got a thermostat coming for it. Basically, oh, and I gotta run up to Bob's Cycle and get some engine ice. We're gonna run some engine ice in this machine to make sure she stays extra cool and have no issues with cooling. Over here, got the 850 chilling under the cover there. That's ready to go. Got the old head here. It was compromised. Right along the exhaust ports. Let's see, over here. Those are intake, those are exhaust. It's hard to see on camera, but there's a crack that runs from all the way over here, and it actually goes through the water jacket as well. So the head was cracked, and the gasket was also compromised. So I made a good decision on just buying a new head right off the bat. Or not a new head, but a new to this machine head. And I had this checked out at work. Made sure that that was all straight and good, so should be ready to rip here soon. We'll double check timing and then get everything squared away. We thought winter was over, but in a couple weeks here, I'll be heading out with some friends out to Steamboat Springs, Colorado, and we're going to be bringing some trail sleds out to the mountains and checking that out. So stay tuned for that. We'll get that on video. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching, guys. I've been trying to upload as much as I can. Just busy. Couple more weeks left of school and we'll be done with that. Boating season's coming up too, so we're gonna have a summer filled with good content. We'll see you there. Thanks for sticking around. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you on my other platforms that I have as well. We're on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Check us down below in the comments. Like I said, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you in the next one.